between Palm Desert and Xavier Prep. Who will be crowned the Kings of Cook Street? Well, let's find out. It's at Palm Desert this year, who's dominated in this rivalry, trying to stay perfect in league play, and Xavier trying to keep the momentum going after a big win last week. Now, Palm Desert, they get on a roll, but a big stop by the Saints defense right at the goal line. Great job by them, but the Aztecs, they could not be stopped this time. It's Simon Gaetti punching it in for the first touchdown of the game. Now, more Palm Desert, the quarterback. Xavier Hill Kemp on the keeper. He breaks out for a touchdown. Such a good run that he knocks his buddy off his feet, but no worries, he gets back up. All is good. Now, Xavier, and it's big Brad McClure. He finds his man, dodging tackles here. What a play by Xavier to gain some good yardage, and then McClure would keep it for himself for the touchdown to put the Saints on the board. The Xavier Saints, they put up a fight, but Palm Desert gets the win 34-20.
I think we started off slow again like last week, so we got to find a little fire in ourselves, get out here and play football, but we've got a great football team. And we're gonna be ready to show up next week, and when we do, it's going to be a different story. But, we got to play everybody on our roster tonight. They want to continue to keep on throwing verts and doing all that stuff for their first rack. Good for them, but we're going to make sure we get our guys better for next year as well. And it's a good thing when you get to play everybody on your roster.
It was a really fun experience. I'm a sophomore, and it's the first varsity season, and everything changes. We have excellent leaders in our seniors and our coaches, and we came out slow, but we ended with a strong finish, and that's what matters.
He's got a lot of ball skills, and he's a good teammate. We ask our receivers to block a lot, and they do it unselfishly, and when they get a chance to make a play, he does it. So he's a great kid. I'm happy to have him.
It's just hard to explain. I just see a couple guys sit next to me, and I just run past them, just break them off. It was good. I definitely think we can step it up mentally, come out fire the ball, and just pound it, do what we do best.
Well, Palm Desert, they have that New England Patriots mentality. It's on to the next for them, and they stay perfect in league play. Now, moving along with the show,